Médico Serurjia Plástico da Austrália, halo rejistu ba ema defisiensia ibun, hodi halo tratamentu e Hospital Nasional Guido Valadares. Dadau ne médico especialista cirurgia plástico Sira, husi Austrália, serviço remoto com o Ministério da Saúde, onde halo rejistu ba ema ho defisiensia ibun e a sábado ne belehetan tratamento e Hospital Nacional. Tuir Mark Mori, no dar especialista cirurgia plástico husi Austrália, antes ne sira halo na operação cirurgia plástico balabarik no bebê Sira, ne be ho defisiensia ibun, bebê tina ne sira continua halo rejistu ba bebê no labarik Sira ne be sira o que tratamento cirurgia plástico ou de halo operação. Objetivo da operação né a tua ajuda a Sira, não é bela colher dia e educação no público.
And we're seeing mostly babies and older children with cleft lip and palate. Some patients who have some of the deformities that develop after burns are not treated adequately. So it's the whole range of plastic surgical problems, but mainly for the children who have cleft lip and palate. Yeah, it's a challenge because a child with a cleft lip and palate problem has both an appearance problem, but also a functional problem. So whilst people often focus on how they look, it's also how they speak and how their teeth work and all those things. And if those don't work properly, then sometimes they don't do so well at school. So if we can do as many of these children and teach local staff how to do this, we can try and do the initial operations at the right time, because it's really important to try and do some of the surgery for the lip and palate in the first year or two of life. We still see patients turn up as teenagers, sometimes as adults, and that's a bit sad because those families have been through a lot and endured a lot and not been able to access care. And so by us doing some work but also teaching local staff, educating, then that will bring patients to treatment earlier, that those children will do better in school and they will be then better in society in general.
Além de ne família usilabarik no BBNB ho defisiensia ibun contente ho informação ne no entusiasmo lorisira ne on ho diak basic amba rejistu e Hospital Nacional no ne belhetan tratamento.
How sinti contente teves tambah durante kita nudar inan, kita kan maksudnya tidak mungkin inannya hakarak uang saya hansane. Waktu itu inannya hari uang permero hansane, kita inan sinti todang. Oportunidade ne, how quantity teves tambah iha timorne balong bedah plastik sirok iha. Ne agradece ba ita balong hanesan familia balong hasan orçamento maklato atau ba opa halo prasan iha reliur o iha nasan seluk agradece ita timorne ita beleza halo prasan ba ita ne uang sira.
How senti contente banhira doutor especialista sira mai am senti contente lori na minha bebê mai atu halo operação ba minha bebê
operação balabarik no bebê defisiensia ibun ahu ia loron saluresen ida to loron saluresen 5 full agosto tina ne no cada loron doutor especialista sira se halo operação ba ema na inualo o trajeto operação ba paciente nen hat nulo equipa cobertura GMN.